Eating our first smoothie sucker frozen thing. Well, that's not the face you were making. Is it sour? Is it cold? Can you show the phone? What does it look like? What does your sucker look like, babe? What does this thing look like?
The baby balloon.
Okay, you want to hold it up? What is that? Oh, look, it's a little smoothie on a stick. All right. Woo. All right, I think we're good. Is it good? Can you say thank you? You can say thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.